on this, see? Let me show you. Like he was looking, see?
Yeah.
I buy wholesale. I buy like 100 at a time, see? But they original, refurbished, you know, but they're real.
Okay, so all I got is 90 except the 20 that I need to get my hair cut. Give me that and one of those right there.
For how much?
90.
I can't do that, son. These pros right here cost $240 in the store.
So what?
These are pros. They cost $240 in the store. But you a good nigga, so here. See how we do? I gotta show love. He let me sell in here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, get you some lunch, G. Get you some lunch.
You sure?
Come on. You always let me sell in here, son. I gotta show love. I ain't make no money, but at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? It's about, can you let me sell here? So we good. You got your iPhone?
New York,
I'm from the Bronx, son.
I can hear it in you. That's why
Man, I'm from the Bronx. God bless, brother.
man from the Bronx, huh?
Yeah, I'm from the Bronx, yup.
I can hear it in you, sir.
I've been doing it 35 years.
Yes, sir.
And I got my license. Have a good day.
2013 Dodge Avenger. Okay. I'm sorry, but I don't have the glass. No.
Poppy, did it work out for you? Did it work out for you?
Everything's working, but the thing is,
What
I
happened
have
now?
a problem. I have one problem right there with my browser.
What's wrong with it?
AT&T came 2 weeks ago to solve the day of the storm.
Yeah.
My browser is affected of everything.
Yeah.
And they replaced the browser right there. They replaced the mobile right there. Yesterday when I tried to put in the password, it says it doesn't recognize on the device.
What?
But it's not the first device that happens with that one.
Oh.
My mother and my wife, they came over here and tried
But they
to
tab it with the Wi-Fi.
the Wi-Fi.
Oh, that's what you
password,
talking about.
It is something wrong with the
So what they got to do? Come
the
back?
modem.
They got to come?
I just called them. They will come to check it out. What is the problem? Maybe in my appreciation, I think it is the guy who came over here. He replaced the device, and maybe, I don't know, maybe he removed the sticker and put it on a new device, believing it is going to be the same.
Yeah,
It's going to be the same password or same you know, the
I know what you're talking about. Yeah, 'cause every box is different.
there.
Every box got a different password. So that's what he did. He took the stick off that box and put on the new box. When he
And
could have left it.
yesterday when I tried to, yesterday was Monday. Yesterday when I tried to call them and I said, well, okay, just give me the password, the correct password. They say, we can do it, Mr. Prowl, but the problem is we don't know what model you got over there.
Oh, man.
Say,
I got you.
anyway, how you been? Good?
You know me. Today's Slow Tuesday. As long as I make $1,000 a day, I'm good.
$1,000.
Make $1,000 a day, I'm happy.
Maybe I'm in the wrong business. A guy with $1,000 and you're working practically
4 hours.
4 hours and 300 days per year. So
Yeah.
no stress.
I know. I feel good.
Nothing. Only 4 hours. You're going right here to HEB just for your stream for tonight.
Yeah. Take care of my family.
I'm
But
in
at the end of the day, I like selling good product. As long as it works, as long as you happy. Because a lot of people sell fake
you
stuff.
Don't switch at the beginning of the day, and you can come over here and give me some good price on the computer.
Oh, what computer you want?
You already offer me, but the thing is,
You want the MacBook Pro? You mean the laptop?
The laptop Pro.
This what I do. I give it to you for $150. I give me 3 days. Let me order one. I give you the MacBook Pro for $150.
Sounds good.
And that's your Christmas gift for me.
Oh,
all right?
Thank you very much.
God bless. What's up, brother? I'm sorry, man.
What you got, man?
Nah, tablet.
Nah, tablets they don't need right
Why you don't like stuff? Come on, why you don't like?
Huh?
Why you don't like the tablets? Those are the minis.
Nah.
I saw for you, Ochenta.
How much?
Ochenta.
Son los pro.
Pro.
David.
I'll take one.
What
You
your
can.
dad wanted?
That would help a lot too, but you know, still.
Hey, what's up? What you got? Oh, one. Yeah, no.
Why you don't like these for the
I
kids?
had one, and they're not good with it.
For the
So,
kids?
yeah, so they got phones.
Oh, God bless. How old is the kids?
11.
Oh yeah, they
10.
good. They good.
Yeah, play
So,
it. Big mode.
you got the new one?
You know, ooh, let me see. Why don't you sell watch?
No, I'm not. This is because they cost too much. That's my personal. Those are all my personal.
Wow.
You say?
They used to have the stainless steel one.
Oh, okay.
Gucci cost me $800.
Oh, that cost $350.
This one?
Yeah, $350. It ain't that bad.
No, I was gonna buy me one. It was $1,200. Gucci red. It was black, metallic black.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
All black.
All black.
I know what you're talking about.
Okay. But I'm telling you, bro. I just love it.
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah.
You know you're a hustler whenever you.
Oh yeah.
A good one.
Oh yeah, you know me.
You got it.
You know why? Because if I go broke, I could sell it.
Yeah. Hey, that's the life of the hustler.
Yeah,